Okay, so today we're going to have a look at balancing redox equations using the oxidation number method. So the first thing we'll do here is assign oxidation numbers to our elements and compounds. So copper, being an element, is 0, hydrogen plus 1, each oxygen minus 2, and the nitrogen plus 5. Nitrate ion is minus 1, there's 2 of them, that's minus 2, so the copper there must be plus 2. Each nitrogen here is 5 and oxygen minus 2. Here the oxygen is minus 2, that gives us minus 4, so the nitrogen must be plus 4. And oxygen minus 2 and hydrogen plus 1. So we can see there that the copper has changed oxidation state from 0 to plus 2, and the nitrogen from nitric acid to nitrogen dioxide has changed from plus 5 to plus 4. So if we just highlight those changes, so the nitrogen plus 5 to plus 4, and that's a change of minus 1. And the copper goes from 0 to plus 2, and that's a change of plus 2. Okay, so our oxidation states need to balance. The amount of reduction must equal the amount of oxidation. So we times the minus 1 by 2, and therefore we need 2 nitrogen dioxides. And now we can balance the equation. The coppers are balanced. Nitrogen, we've got 4 on the right, so we need 4 on the left. And then hydrogens, we've got 4 on the left, so we need 4 on the right. Now the oxygens are balanced because we've got 12 on the left and 6, 10, 12 on the right. So there we've balanced the equation using the oxidation number method. Okay, hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.